And we're back. Alright, episode 2 of the Unity startup start to publish that I'm making. Don't worry about this right now. Let's go into new projects and I just type in a new project. So I'm just going to call this tutorial YouTube create project. We're just going to learn the basics of Unity right now and what's involved with it, how to set it up and everything. So let me just drag this over. Alright. This is how you'll most likely get your Unity, just like this. You'll get your hierarchy here, your projects, your console, your inspector, and maybe you'll have services. Your console is important. Your project's very important. Your hierarchy is also important. They're all important. Asset store is not huge. It's up to you if you want to use assets from the asset store. There's heaps of assets that you can take a hold of. If you just go into filters, if you don't want to pay anything, just go free only, and then you can get all these type of assets for free and use them as you will. Definitely check the licenses though before you just go ahead and start using them and publishing them onto Google Play and that, and try and make money from it. So yeah, for sure. Alright, so this is your basic Unity screen. I'll teach you just a quick couple of things. Your project view is where you will be adding projects, so adding files and your scripts and your materials and all that. So we'll just make a few right now. So right in here, just go right click, and then you can go create, and then you can click folder, or you can go to this little tab here and you can go create folder, and they both work the same. We'll call this materials, plural, so materials, and I'll just do it this way now for scripts, prefabs, and we should be good. We'll just use those three for now. We'll create more when, we will be needing some audio soon, so we'll just put some audio there too, and that should be good. Like that's how you make really easy. That's how you create stuff. So in the materials, we'll just quickly create a material to actually demonstrate some of the more stuff, and we'll call this blue. Why not? So we've got our material, and now over on the right side here, you'll see the inspector. Now the inspector is really helpful in Unity. It allows you to do so much stuff to this material. Material basically is a texture in a way. It lets you color different objects. So because we called it blue, we'll just click this little white box here, and my color swatches is way over there, and we'll just make it blue, just like that. Done. That's a blue material now. And now in the hierarchy, same deal. You can right click and then you can create all types of different objects. Most of the time you'll start with a main camera and a directional light, so generally you won't have to make them, but sometimes you will. For now, we're just going to go 3D objects, and we'll go cube, and you can also do the create up here, and then you can go cube like that, and so, yep, there's your two options. Now we have a cube in the scene view. Alright, just quickly, the controls, click your mouse button in to pan like this, right mouse button to do this, and then right mouse button plus your WASD to actually like fly around and just control where you're facing. Alright, if you click F in the actual scene view, so you click on here on the directional light, and then you click in, you don't have to click in the scene view, just aim in the scene view and then press F. It will focus you on that specific object. So just quick handy tips, easy stuff. And now just quickly using our material, what you can do is you can drag the material on. You see how it changes like that, or you can click over here onto the inspector and you can drag the material into there, just like that. Very easy stuff, pretty basic, straightforward. Main camera, I do not like Skybox at all. It just looks horrible in there. I prefer to go solid color and like a medium grey so I can see everything. And that's fairly easy. Also, it gives you a clearer picture in the game. Oh, I feel like it gives me a bit clearer picture in the game. You can change the scene as well. I prefer to change the scene as well. You go to Windows up here, and then you find lighting. You click on the lighting, and it should open a window. It did. For some reason, it wants to open it up on my third screen. I don't want you there. I want you right here. Now I always add lighting and then I just click none. You click that little tiny circle thing and you just press none. Just like that. Then you can change the color here. Oh well, it's not really the changing the color, just a bit of the brightness. Now, if you for some reason have Visual Studios or anything like that added to your Microsoft and you don't know how to fix it, to your, not your Microsoft, your Unity, and you don't know how to fix it, just go into Edit, Preferences, and then External Tools, and you can change it to Mono Developer or Visual Studios, either one. I only use Mono Developer for this tutorial because not many people have Visual Studios added. So yeah, it will just be easier for all of us if I just use that. And I think that'll be all for part 2 of this tutorial. It's just teaching you guys how to start it up. Next tutorial we are going to get into everything. We're going to start level designing the actual main game. So definitely stick around, like, subscribe, and comment. Always comment, guys. I can't stress it enough. I love replying to you guys for anything, any issues, all of it. So yeah, comment, and that's all for now. Have a good one and see you next episode.